the descending orders of the numbers. So ascending and descending order, it means that ascending means increasing order. Increasing order means जैसे मॉर्निंग असेंबली में हम खड़े रहते हैं, कैसे खड़े रहते हैं? सबसे पहले क्या होता है? सबसे पहला जो सबसे छोटा जो लड़का है सबसे पहले खड़े रहता है, उसके बाद उससे ऐसे बढ़ते बढ़ते हुए सबसे लास्ट में जो होता है वो सबसे बड़ा लड़का खड़ा रहता है। इसे हम क्या कह सकते हैं? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मींस द नंबर्स smallest at the first and it increases and biggest at the last. जो सबसे छोटा उससे बड़ा होकर सबसे लास्ट में जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर आता है उसे हम इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर कहते हैं। डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर क्या होता है? इसका उल्टा होता है। डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर मींस डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर मींस इसका उल्टा होता है। जैसे सबसे बड़ा नंबर जो है वो पहले आएगा, उसके बाद छोटा 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 नंबर होकर सबसे लास्ट में सबसे छोटा नंबर आएगा। So increasing orders and decreasing orders, with these two examples, with very few examples, we can easily understand what the increasing and the decreasing orders. The increasing orders, AO means in short I was written AO means ascending order. Ascending order means increasing orders. So increasing order means the smallest number at the first. So let us see here that we can check the digits. How many digits are here? 5 digits. 5 digits. ये डिजिट्स हमें क्यों काम करना है? क्योंकि जितनी ज्यादा डिजिट रहेगी वो सबसे बड़ा नंबर रहेगा और जितनी कम डिजिट रहेगी वो सबसे छोटा नंबर रहेगा। तो यहाँ पर सब के सब डिजिट्स क्या है? सेम डिजिट्स है। सो वी कैन सी व्हाट वी कैन सी हियर, वी कैन चेक द लेफ्ट साइड फर्स्ट नंबर, वी कैन चेक लेफ्ट साइड फर्स्ट डिजिट. So let's say first digit here it is 3, here it is 9 and here it is also 9. It means that the 3 is the smallest number, we can write it first. 32,567. Got it? The next one here 9 and 9 are equal, same. Means we have to go for the next digit. That is here 7 and here it is 0. 7 और 0 में smallest कौन सा है? That is 0 is the smallest. So we can write here 90,857. Okay. The next one it is the last biggest number we got here, that it is remains. So that is 97,638. So descending order, what I said that opposite of that ascending orders. Opposite of that ascending orders, in that the biggest number we can write first, that is 97,638 you can write first, then 90,857, then next 32,567. Okay, clear? The next one we can see here, the next example here. 3 numbers are given, that is how many digits are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It means that the number it has the 7 digits, so that is the biggest number. Okay, that is the biggest number. For our understanding we can write here B for understanding, means this is the biggest number. Okay, so here then next among these two have the same digits, so we can check the first one. What? First digits from the left, that is here 9 and here it is 6. So 6 will be the smallest. So we can write here 6 first. 6,897,3,2. Okay, so here this digit we can write here 6,89,732 and the first one smallest digit, that is. And the next one it is here, this 9,75,324 is the next smaller digit and the biggest digit is 49,63,780. Got it? The next one it is that the biggest number we can write here first. DO means descending order. DO means descending order. The biggest number to smallest number we can write. The biggest number here it is 49,63,781. And then next one is 99,75,324. And then next last smallest number is 6,89,732. I think you understand it, and we'll move towards the next. Okay, so that is the comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. In the comparing numbers, you must remember this. All these 3 symbols you must remember. What it is? Means here this symbol, his face is bigger side. Biggest face is here. Look at this. This is the biggest face. So we can say this biggest number. Bigger the place, biggest the number. Okay, so bigger the place, we can say greater than. And here smaller face is this side, smaller face is that side. So what we can say this one, smallest symbol. So we can say this one smaller than, otherwise less than we can say. And this means that equal. This is equal we can say. So here some examples with the help of this few examples we can understand. Okay, so here the first example we can see here how many digits are here and how many digits we can count it first. क्योंकि सबसे पहले मैंने बताया था जो बड़ी नंबर है, जो सबसे ज्यादा डिजिट है वही बड़ा नंबर है, जो कम डिजिट है वो छोटा नंबर है. So we can count 1 2 3 4 digit number it is, and here it is 1 2 3 4 5 digit number it is. So 5 digit is the bigger, so we can write bigger face के साइड में करना है, bigger जो face है bigger number के साइड में करना है. ठीक है. So then next one here 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit and here it is 5 digit. So bigger face कौन से साइड में है, इस साइड में. तो face bigger का कौन से साइड में आना चाहिए, this side. Okay. Then next one it is we can say here 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit आ गया. 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit same digit है. चलो यहाँ पर सबसे पहले हमें क्या देखना है, the first digit from the left side we can see here it is 7 and here it is 7. Both are same, no problem. We didn't got the result, so we will go for the next. That is here it is 8 and here it is also 8. Again we didn't got the result. अभी और आगे बढ़ना है आपको. यहाँ पर 3 है और यहाँ पर 5. So 3 is the smaller number and 5 is bigger. So we can write bigger the places this side. Got it? Then next one here it is how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7. So what you will do? You can see the left digit first. 5 5. Same. 8 8. Same. 0 0 0 0. Again same. 1 1. Again same. 9 9. Again same. 2 1. Here it is 0. Which is the next bigger number? 0 or 2. 2 is the bigger, so the face becomes this side. Got it? This is what the examples we have studied. Okay.